1962 Rambler American 400 convertible here at Unique Specialty and Classics. This is believed to be an original mile car, a little over 19,000 on the odometer at the moment. It was actually purchased new in October of 1961, not too far from our area right here, and stayed in the same family for much of its life. The original owner quit driving it when she had knee problems, has a 3 on the column, so she couldn't work the clutch anymore. Actually went from her to her nephew, from the nephew to the son of that nephew. So it's always kind of been in the same family, kept indoors. Seems to be a very original car. The engine had a cracked piston when the last owner received it, and that was in 2022. So the engine was rebuilt and gone through in 2022. At that time, new brake lines, wheel cylinders, rear shocks, hydraulic cylinders for the convertible top were also replaced. A little history on the car. All right, take a look at the chrome in the front bumper, grille, headlight bezels. Actually has a 195 cubic inch inline 6-cylinder. Carb recently rebuilt. And then, like I mentioned earlier, shifter on the column, 3-speed manual. Turquoise in color, turquoise interior. Check out the still pictures. You're going to be able to see the underside, the interior, the engine bay, the trunk, top up, top down. All those still pics can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. You can also call us, 507-386-1726. Steel wheels, Rambler wheel covers, wide white wall bias ply tires, so you're aware of that. Now, as far as the paint, it's not perfect. Shows its age in some spots here and there. Maybe a little bit of a nick or a little bit of a ding. To me, adds character and story to this car. Still be a great car for your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows, driving on Sundays, have some fun. And Jason will take it for a drive and show you how it goes down the road. If you stick around to the very end of the video, the AM radio, I've had that working. I'm going to show you that here in just a bit. Some turquoise interior, also original seat belts, it appears. Convertible top cover, and I'd be very surprised if this wasn't original, just due to it shows its age some. A little bit of pitting on the rear bumper. One of those cars you can get into the classic car hobby without breaking the bank, though. No doubt about that. All right, a few things that are going to go with it. You'll have your supply of oil filters. Looks like there's a car cover, a carburetor, and some miscellaneous parts that will go along to the next owner. Once again, all the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Couple notes from the technician on this one. He did mention the brakes are 75% in the front, 80% in the rear. Said when you let off the gas once in a while, it'll pop out a third on you. But other than that, thing dries out well. And again, Jason's going to take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. If you like Ramblers, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. The videos are uploaded daily. When these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase, and that can be done online or right off our showroom floor. So we get a good look up and down the driver's side. Let's take a little closer look at this interior. Door panel. Appears that it could be original very easily. Same as the seats, same as the carpeting. Power top, as you can see over here. Let's fire it up. We'll take a peek underneath the hood too. Make sure I'm in neutral. There's what's believed to be original miles, 19,560. I tell you what, there's very little wear on the brake or the gas pedal. This stereo system here. I'm going to turn it on. Now this is going to have to warm up just a little bit. Little throttle response, good. Fuel gauge.
See that lowers the top, and at some point you're going to get to the point where only the middle class is here and you can't tax them. Do the math. No. No. I mean, the bottom line is...
Working well. Temp gauge, that was a cold start, so I wouldn't expect that to be up. Slip around to the back seat here, this run. Door closes nicely. Pretty smooth and quiet. Let's slip up to the front. This is going to take me 2 hands. So I'm going to pause this a second, real quick. Let's get the hood open. There's a good look underside of the hood. And engine bay. Battery from July of 24. Again, inline 6-cylinder, 195 cubic inches, did I say? And as you can see, that engine was not rebuilt or gone through long ago. That is clean, nicely done. And that baby is running smooth. I'm going to go ahead and get this convertible top up and show you the condition of that. I'll set up the tripod and maybe we'll check out how that works. Maybe a little bit slower going just because it's an older convertible. Let's find out. We'll check out the condition. All right, convertible top up. Wasn't too bad, pretty steady actually. All right, got her latched above the windshield. It is a little bit tighter. I wouldn't be surprised if that's the original white vinyl top on it. Rolled up the side glass, you can see how that fits too. Actually not bad. Up into that gasket. Some wear down here. Appears to be the original rear window. Little discoloration. Some wear back here. This is one of those cars. How much is it going to be driven with the top up? If you needed to keep you out of a brief shower or maybe a little bit of sun, I don't think it's going to have a problem doing that. Again, nice tight fit above the windshield. Passenger side glass. All right. If you stick around just a little bit longer, if you want me to, I can sure show it being folded back down in the storage area, so we can do that quick, and then Jason will take it for a drive. Show you how it goes down the road. 1962 Rambler American 400 convertible, believed to be original miles, same family for quite some time. Number to call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Yes, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
As well as the rest of our shenanigans.
a few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
Gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're going for a ride in a 1962 AMC Rambler American. This is a convertible. And we have the top down today, as you can see. The sun's shining brightly at the moment. This is a 3-on-the-tree manual transmission. And it's easy to shift. You can drive any clutch, you can drive a 3-on-the-tree. 1-speed fan on that HVAC system, and it is working. The radio, which appears to be original,
to his team winning tonight, but one real
also working. Both turn signals are working. The coolant temperature gauge is coming up to about 1/4 of the way up from cold. The fuel gauge over on the right, 3/4 of a tank. For the generator and oil pressure, there are lights that would be illuminated. Speedometer appears to be showing the correct speed. A beautiful teal color. Teal aqua, one of those. It is a very great classic car color. The chrome shining brightly and the word American on the dash. Vinyl split bench, possibly bucket, you decide. Front seats, rear seat is a bench. We'll go down to second gear for the traffic circle. Brakes are very effective. Steering is easy. This Rambler definitely has power steering. Nice and luxurious in the corners. I just can't get over how great the color and the chrome looks in the sun. Horn working great as well. A lot of style packed into a little car from 1962. Find all the pictures of this Rambler at uniqueclassiccars.com.